Biodegradable plastics in construction, sustainable materials. Title: Biodegradable plastics in construction, sustainable materials. Introduction. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability in the construction industry. As we strive to reduce our environmental impact, one promising solution that has emerged is the use of biodegradable plastics in construction materials. Biodegradable plastics offer a green alternative to traditional plastic materials, as they have the ability to break down naturally over time, reducing pollution and waste. In this article, we will delve into the concept of biodegradable plastics in construction and explore the benefits and challenges associated with their adoption. Understanding biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics are derived from organic materials, such as cornstarch, vegetable oils, or plant-based polymers. This characteristic makes them an attractive option for a variety of applications. In the construction industry, where plastic materials are widely used. Benefits of biodegradable plastics in construction. 1. Environmental preservation. By using biodegradable plastics in construction, we can significantly reduce the environmental impact associated with traditional plastic materials. The use of these sustainable materials helps to minimize the accumulation of non-biodegradable waste in landfills and the natural environment. 2. Reduction of carbon footprint. Biodegradable plastics are typically manufactured from renewable sources, such as plant-based polymers. This helps reduce the industry's reliance on fossil fuels, ultimately contributing to a lower carbon footprint. Additionally, the production of biodegradable plastics emits fewer greenhouse gases compared to traditional plastics, making them a more environmentally friendly choice. 3. Improved water quality. One critical concern in construction is the potential for water pollution. Traditional plastics can release harmful chemicals when they break down, which can leach into soil and water bodies. Biodegradable plastics, on the other hand, decompose into harmless natural compounds, thereby minimizing the risk of water contamination and preserving water quality. 4. Diverse applications. Biodegradable plastics can be used in a wide range of construction applications, including insulation, roofing materials, piping, and even structural components. As more research and development are in this field, novel and innovative biodegradable materials are likely to emerge, further expanding the scope of their application in the construction industry. Challenges and considerations. Despite the numerous advantages, there are certain challenges associated with the adoption of biodegradable plastics in construction. 1. Cost. Biodegradable plastics often come at a higher cost compared to traditional plastics. This can be attributed to the relatively limited production scale and the higher expenses involved in sourcing and processing renewable materials. However, as technological advances continue and demand increases, it is expected that costs will gradually decrease. 2. Durability. While biodegradable plastics offer an eco-friendly solution, their durability can be a concern in certain construction applications. Traditional plastics typically exhibit greater tensile strength and resistance to weathering. However, ongoing research is focused on developing biodegradable plastics with enhanced mechanical properties to bridge this gap. 3. Waste management. Biodegradable plastics require specific conditions to decompose, such as exposure to heat, moisture, and microorganisms. Specialized waste management systems need to be in place to ensure their proper disposal. Adequate recycling facilities and public awareness campaigns are essential to ensure these materials are disposed of correctly to reap their full environmental benefits. 4. Compatibility with existing infrastructure. The integration of biodegradable plastics into existing construction practices and infrastructure may present certain challenges. These materials may require modifications to conventional manufacturing processes and standardized protocols to ensure their successful incorporation into construction projects. Implementing the use of biodegradable plastics in the construction industry offers a multitude of benefits that help move towards a more sustainable future. These materials are derived from organic sources, allowing them to break down naturally and prevent the buildup of non-biodegradable waste in landfills and the environment. The production of these plastics also reduces the industry's reliance on fossil fuels, ultimately leading to a lower carbon footprint. In terms of water quality, biodegradable plastics have an advantage over traditional plastics. When traditional plastics break down, they release harmful chemicals that can contaminate soil and water bodies. However, biodegradable plastics decompose into harmless natural compounds, preserving water quality and minimizing the risk of water pollution. The versatility of biodegradable plastics allows them to be used in various construction applications. From insulation to roofing materials, piping, and even structural components, these materials are adaptable and can serve multiple purposes. Despite these advantages, there are challenges that need to be addressed when adopting biodegradable plastics in construction. One significant challenge is the cost. Biodegradable plastics often come with a higher price tag due to limited production scale and the expenses associated with sourcing and processing renewable materials. However, as technology advances and demand increases, it is expected that costs will gradually decrease. Durability is another consideration when using biodegradable plastics in construction. Traditional plastics generally exhibit greater tensile strength and resistance to weathering. Ongoing research focuses on improving the mechanical properties of biodegradable plastics to ensure they meet the industry's durability requirements. Waste management is a crucial aspect of using biodegradable plastics. These materials require specific conditions to decompose, such as heat, moisture, and microorganisms. Therefore, specialized waste management systems must be in place to ensure proper disposal. Adequate recycling facilities and public awareness campaigns are essential to ensure these materials are disposed of correctly, maximizing their environmental benefits. Additionally, the integration of biodegradable plastics into existing construction practices and infrastructure may present challenges. Modifications to conventional manufacturing processes and standardized protocols may be necessary to successfully incorporate these materials into construction projects. Biodegradable plastics in construction offer a sustainable solution for reducing environmental impact, as they can naturally break down over time. These plastics, derived from organic materials like cornstarch and vegetable oils, have the potential to replace traditional plastics in a wide range of construction applications. The benefits of using biodegradable plastics in construction are numerous. Firstly, they help preserve the environment by minimizing the accumulation of non-biodegradable waste in landfills and nature areas. This reduction in waste promotes a cleaner and healthier environment. Moreover, the use of biodegradable plastics helps decrease the industry's reliance on fossil fuels, as these plastics are typically made from renewable sources. This reduction in fossil fuel consumption contributes to a lower carbon footprint and reduces greenhouse gas emissions during production. Another advantage is improved water quality. When traditional plastics decompose, they release harmful chemicals that can contaminate soil and water bodies. In contrast, biodegradable plastics break